Hey everyone, this is Rami, and I'm here to help you resolve your little day to day tech problems that can turn into bigger problems. And we all know that that can happen if they're not resolved quickly enough. Okay, so you're probably on this video because you feel that your Gmail account may have been compromised, or you had to share your password with somebody today, and it could be your webmaster, it could be someone who is trying to help you with something, but now you are under stress because you're worried that your data and your um, emails and everything that is associated or linked to that Gmail account could be compromised. Nobody wants that stress. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my Gmail account and show you how you can go and change your password real quick from within your Gmail account. Let's go. Okay, so here I am. I'm in my Gmail account right now, and I'm going to show you where you need to go to reset your or change your password. Okay, so you go click on this gear icon on the top right, the settings button. Okay, and then go here and click on see all settings, and that's going to bring you over here. Okay, now here on top you can see a bunch of tabs like general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, blah blah blah, and a ton of other things. Okay, the one that you're concerned with right now is accounts and import. And as soon as you click on that, you can see right here on top in change account settings, you can see change password. Okay, so all you have to do is click on that. Okay, now Gmail is going to ask me to enter my current password to verify that it's me before it can allow me to change that password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that real quick and then come back. Okay, so I've entered my current password and I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, now it is asking me to enter the new password that I want. So let me think about it. I'm going to enter a new password and then come back. All right, so here we are. I have entered the new password that I want for my Gmail account. And then I'm just going to go down here and hit the change password button. Okay, now it's asking me to take a minute to review important security settings in the security checkup, which is, probably the phone number that I gave while signing up for this Gmail account and a couple of other things like a recovery email stuff. So I'm going to click here on Get Started. And I'm just going to quickly review all of that information. I'm just going to continue to my Google account. All right, so as you can see, my password has now been changed. I am not going to need to do anything else here, but I'm going to go back to my Gmail account now. So here we are, and I'm going to do one other thing just to be really safe, okay? So what I'm going to do now is also change my password recovery options. Okay, because it is highly likely that the person who has my password may have already gone and checked these things and will probably be able to reset my password again if I didn't change these options. So I'm going to go in here. All right. All right, and so I'm going to just scroll down over here, and here you can see ways that we can verify that it's you. And here's a recovery phone number and a recovery email. So these are the two things that ideally I should change. Now, I would not change my phone number because, well, he can't really do anything much with my phone number even if he wanted, because the phone is here with me, right? but he might have, if my this email has been compromised, it's possible that the other email, if he's seen this, he may have gone ahead and kind of hacked into that email too somehow. So I will, most likely go and change this recovery email address. And once again, it will ask me to log in. All right, so I've entered my new password, which I just made, okay, to log into my account again, to this Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to click next. And let's wait for it. Okay, so now here I can just go ahead and change this recovery email to another email address that I would have. I mean, it could be a Yahoo email, it could be another type of email address that I have. I just need to enter that here and click verify and just follow the instructions. Okay, so once I hit verify, it's going to show me this pop-up. So I need to now enter the 6-digit code sent to this email address, which is the new recovery email address. Now, I know you must be looking at it and you're like, wait, it's the same email address that you already had. You haven't changed it at all. Yes, I haven't, because I don't think this account was actually compromised. I mean, nobody has the password to either of these accounts. I was just doing this for the purpose of the video to show you how it's done. So I'm not really going to change it. I'm just going to go over to my digitalrami1@gmail.com account, check the 6-digit code, and then enter it over here to verify. Okay, so here I am. I'm in my digitalrami1@gmail.com account, the recovery email. I'm going to click here. Here's the code. So it's 95519. So I'm going to just copy this. I think that should work. If it doesn't, I'll just type it out. It's just 6 digits anyway. Oh, it works. Okay, perfect. So, and then I'm just going to hit verify. Okay. And looks like, yes, so it's done. The recovery email has been verified. I did get a little pop-up down at the bottom of my screen, but unfortunately you couldn't see that because it was not showing that part of the screen in this video. My bad. Should have probably kept it down lower. But anyway, so it has been verified. And now I can just close this tab. I can just go back to my email address over here, over here, and just go on with my day. And everything is safe. I don't think that person will be able to do anything now. All right. See you guys. Have a safe day, and do not share your passwords with anybody. I know this video was there to help you, and I'm glad that I was able to help you, but please, please try to avoid doing that. Or if you really have to share an email with somebody, or your email and password with somebody, always keep a spare email that it doesn't have any like important data, or like is not linked to any other accounts, like let's say your bank account and sensitive information like that. So if you need to share some email for, let's say, web development, or you need to share some passwords with a webmaster who is probably building a website for you or doing some kind of work for you, I understand sometimes it cannot be helped, but always keep a spare email for those kind of things. Just don't give your main email for password to anybody. All right, just be safe. Love you guys, and I'm going to see you again in my next video. Ta-da!